What's going on, everybody? It's Chris with Our Crazy Life. Over the next few videos, we're going to be showing where me and Neto go down to Florida on our cruise, and then we come back and hang out with Blue Gabe. So stay tuned. There's no telling what kind of crazy stuff we can be getting into.
Hey everyone, we're out here at Blowing Rock Beach on Blue Gabe's recommendation, and it is beautiful. We've got a nice sandy beach, beautiful ocean, and we're just having a great time.
All right, y'all, so we came out to watch the sunrise, and I looked down and saw a little bit of movement, and we've got a little baby sea turtle making his way down to the beach.
My heart is melting right now.
We stay with my son.
And for any of you who don't know, my favorite animal is a sea turtle. And it is adorable. Oh my goodness.
Finally made it to the smooth part. He's actually cruising along. But Janetta's heart's about to melt. So we're out at Hobe Sound. We just saw that little sea turtle. Janetta, Katie, and Mitch and me are out looking at all the seashells. We're almost to low tide. Finding lots of cool stuff on the beach.
There's Janetta and Steph walking up ahead. It's pretty up in here. Mitch and Katie are back there. So we'll see what this is all about. This is where Blue Gabe said we should come this morning. It's like a tunnel of trees coming out towards the beach. Don't go to the light at the end of the tunnel.
Y'all, this is what it takes to make a good Instagram photo. People are risking their lives for this.
Guys, it was so cool coming to Blowing Rocks. Thank you to Blue Gabe for giving us this suggestion. It's beautiful out here. All the way up as far as you can see. The sand and the rocks just meet, and it just creates crazy designs and cool little caves. Netta and I have had a great time on our cruise and spending a few days down in Florida. I'm gonna give a huge shout out and a thank you to Blue Gabe, Stephanie, the Lightsey Family Ranch, everyone else who made this trip possible.
And I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Sarah Arrington, aka Dear Mom. I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to spend time with us. It was awesome.
So we'll be getting back on a plane, heading back to Arizona to continue our adventures.
We're out at Jupiter Donuts. We're getting donuts. We're gonna take it back to Sarah, Stephanie, and the kids. We made it to the airport. We got all our bags checked in. Getting ready to go through security. Look at that line. But it'll be all right. We got plenty of time. Be heading back to Arizona soon. Check out this kicking mural in the Fort Lauderdale airport. Fort Lauderdale airport. Fort Lauderdale airport. Fort Lauderdale airport. Beautiful scenes while you're waiting for your planes. Hey everyone, it's Chris.
And Netta.
If you liked the video, drop us a like.
And subscribe. Thanks for being a part of our everyday.